What's going on YouTube? Car reviews by KJ. Just wanted to bring a video today. So I fixed the AC, my good old 87 Foxbody here. 87 Mustang, that is. So I didn't do nothing too major. Right now I got everything off right now. Excuse this wood grain steering wheel, this thing coming out of here. Give me a black racing steering wheel, but that's what it came with. But the only thing I really had to replace, this high pressure hose here. Sorry for the lighting kind of looked bad. But this high pressure hose, it looked pretty old and destroyed, so I just went ahead and replaced that. I replaced this hose right here. It had a hole. This hose right here had an actual hole in it. In between this tube on the old one. I threw it in the trash, but I'm pretty sure I still got it. But yeah, go back there to inside the firewall. I'm not sure the terms on these things yet. I'm still learning. I wish I would have replaced this low pressure hose here. It's kind of eyesore. And also, you know, these cars came with the R12, so I put r134 in there, 3 cans of it. This is the low pressure side here, high pressure side here. I'm surprised this worked, but it did. No leaks so far. AC blowing ice cold, and I mean ice cold. I'm gonna show you what I used. Let me see. It's actually in a trash can, so bear with me. So we use this can here. This can 134 here. Use 3 cans. I looked it up online. It takes about 3 cans, and I also used a can of oil. Let's find that. So this one, I use this gauge right here. Once you hook it up, it'll let you know how much pressure you got in the system. When I hooked it up, it was pretty low. So I started charging it. Compressor kicked on for me. Started spinning. It had dust in it and everything. Hasn't been running in a while. I'm surprised this thing worked. But I'm moving to Cali, so I'm gonna need some of that AC. And people charge too much for AC maintenance around here, and a lot of people don't work on it. Some of the old hoses right here. Remember I told you the high pressure hose looked ugly too, and it looked like it could be leaking. So I replaced that. This the one. It's dirty. This the one that it looked like they just chopped it in half. I don't know, man. I don't know what people do these days. But yeah, I replaced that one brand new. Hose is only about 30 bucks. Got it from O'Reilly's. Use my military discount. Running through the trash, man. Running through the trash for y'all, man. Can't seem to find this. No. Alright, can't find it today. But just trust me, I used a little can of oil. Use a can of oil. And the way you want to charge this, sitting here, show you guys. So you're gonna turn it on max AC, turn it on high, turn the AC, turn the cold side as far as it can go on cold. And then you run it like that, let the car warm up and get into normal operation temperatures. And then you go ahead, hook it up to the low pressure side. I'll kind of show you a simulation. So all I did was took this off, low pressure side. Let me set my stand up. It's not gonna work. Yeah. screw the bottle in. It's gonna pierce it for you. Just come over here to the low pressure side. You're gonna pull it back on this little clip here. Pull it back, clip it on. Make sure you snug on it to make sure it don't come off. Boom. Car gonna be running. Or you should probably hook it up before you start the car. I know some people gonna hit me on that. But yeah, just pretend like the bottle was here. You'll let it run. Flip it over. Squeeze the trigger. You're gonna cycle that. You're gonna do it maybe like, make sure you shake the can pretty decent when you before you start charging it. Shake it. Boom. Again. Let it hold for a while. And you're gonna see this gauge is gonna be in between this. See what, if it's in the green, then you're getting up there. Then once you get to the max, you wanna kinda stop. But I used 3 cans and it didn't go all the way full. So I think that 3 cans should last me in this whole summer. Hopefully it lasts forever, but as long as it lasts me summer, and I don't have to pay no mechanics $800 or whatever they charge to fix my AC, I'm happy. But yeah, just simple like that. Until the can empty, you're gonna feel the can empty. Once you feel it's empty, shake it up. Not gonna feel any like liquid moving around in there. And then just hold it. Make sure you get everything out. And then boom, that can done. Just come back. All you're gonna do is just take this little snap, push back on it. You pull on this, push on this, boom, and then it'll come off. So yeah, that's all I did, man. As soon as I started charging it, the compressor, this side of the compressor kicked on. Started shooting out dust because it's old and hasn't been used in a while. Yeah, so also, when I replaced this high pressure hose and these other hoses over here, I put the green gaskets that the hoses came with on there. They used to have black gaskets, but I put the green gaskets. So, yeah, man, I'm super happy about this. So I wanted to show y'all a quick video on how I kind of fixed mine. It might be temporary for now, but I don't know. They're gonna be like, hey man, why this man riding around with a convertible with the windows up? Hey, I got AC, baby. All right, guys. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.